I think I had to be extra careful about. I have to be extra careful about my choices. I have been so far, and this was a daring choice that I made. And I remember I was working on Talaakhon Mein Ek with Vikrant. There's another film that we've shot together, which will come next year. But I remember shooting for that, and I was told that he was doing this film. Maybe this is not a very good decision. You're not doing this. He's like, "Wo to chhod. They'll come to you now for the other character." I'm like, "I'm never gonna do it." And he's like, "Wait for it." He's like, "Don't judge it by the cover." That's what people are doing in general with the trailer that has come out. They're judging it by what they're seeing, which is completely... I usually don't ask people around when they come to me with scripts whether or not I should do them. It's completely my decision. But this time I was scared a little. I went to my parents, I went to my friends, and what I realized was that there were so many conflicting opinions on what has happened, and nobody knew. I myself wasn't aware. Till I was presented with this whole... I could call it, I don't know, like a...
As big as this script.
Yeah, as big. I want to see all that, right? It's not right, but I can't handle it. I get very emotional. I got very emotional. I was like, this is a story that has to be told. A little known, and there will be questions asked. After I read the material, I knew I was prepared for it. And hats off to the team, hats off to Ekta, who picked it up, who had the courage to pick this up and take it to people. And I think वहाँ से कि विक्रांत कर रहा है, Ekta back कर रही है, and the research material that was in front of me, I knew exactly. Because of the environment that we are living in today, sadly,
unfortunately, that's the...
There's nothing that we see from the lens of humanity. Everything is seen from a certain angle.
Whoever wants to stitch what, but
to expect us is expect from us is कि हमें सब पता होना चाहिए, and we should have an opinion on everything. I used to tell you, but I'm sorry, I don't know much about it. That's not acceptable. नहीं आप अपना opinion दो. नहीं आप बोलो क्या आप अरे भाई I'm what if you know nothing about our history, you know nothing. How can you not give your opinion? That's happened to me. Ever happened fully. You shouldn't have an opinion on it. There are a lot of people who get divided, and just because the tide is going one way, they'll start following that. And I just want to work. I want people to see what I'm doing. I want to go back home. I don't want to give any unnecessary opinions. I don't want people to talk about my life. It takes away from the actor that I am, is what I feel, because if you show too much of yourself, people will not believe the characters you're playing.
Of your work, limit them of...
It doesn't. It hasn't. It never has. Like, people have always come and asked me, how are you doing 4 for 5 films a year? So there is another way to affect your career. You don't have to always have an opinion on something or be in the news for whatever reasons to get films. I am that example that I have never tried to be in the news for the wrong reason except my own work. You know, so this film was tricky for me also because I knew that this will be something that will be talked about. So I had to be extra careful. कि अभी क्या हो रहा है इस फिल्म में, and I was, and I know the makers were, and that's why I believe in this film.
So I scripts in the Hindi film industry while you're doing a lot of यहाँ ये projection है, यहाँ ये projection.
I have never planned anything because whatever I may have planned has never happened. You know, I cannot, like, if they want to put me in a commercial film, I'm very happy to be doing that. But there are people who take me in a film like The Savarna, which is great, which works for me. So I've never really planned कि, see, all of us want to do both. But I have not planned कि I want to do this here and that there. English नहीं आती. There were fines for kids, and I was that monitor. What? Yeah. तो हमारे स्कूल में क्या होता था? Hated you because हमें English नहीं आती थी और तू हमसे 5-5 रुपए लेती थी. So I am guilty of it. But the thing is, I was innocent. I didn't know.
Yeah, you didn't.
I didn't know.
And how sad that a young kid...
English is more superior than Hindi can ever be. And this is what you need to thrive in the world. And sadly, it is true. And I knew I wasn't doing it consciously at all. But now I have to consciously protect my own language. अपनी भाषा. अब मैं सीख रही हूँ विक्रांत से जब वो बात करते हैं. And you know, I'm somewhere new कि South में जब हम काम करते हैं, they are very proud of their language.
Yeah.
They are very proud of their culture. They don't care about English. But I grew up in Delhi, so I know that the environment there is such कि जो हिंदी बोलते हैं उनको साइड कर दिया जाता है, उनको जज कर दिया. साउथ दिल्ली, नॉर्थ दिल्ली sort of divide कि ये ऐसे होते हैं, नॉर्थ में ऐसे होते हैं. I mean, a lot of places it's a north-south divide as well.
वो मुंबई में
हाँ.
Of this fact.
कि हम realize ही नहीं करते हैं.
मतलब इनकी फिल्म जब 12th फेल आई, वो people मेरी खुद की आंखें खुली के यार, मुझे I wasn't aware.
No, but पर भाई ये...
And the craft that he hones, when you see it, you are blown.
But भाई ये सब characters में
ups and downs from the time.
No, but I'm just saying in the recent past.
Firstly, as a person, I detach myself from the result of the films. Having said that,
हाँ अपना check आ गया.
choose your battles in life, right? That's not my battle to fight. The commercial success of a film is not really in our hand. Films we think, okay, chalo karenge. It might or might not work. You have to be ready with whatever the verdict is. But commercial success does matter. because it helps you get more films that are you're not bankable enough.
Not just bank, or he was in it. You know, they
कि ये है इसकी देखो इसकी 4 फिल्में फ्लॉप हुई इसको नहीं लेंगे. It has nothing to do with talent.
yeah.
You know. So
It's about-
I attach myself to it.
Do you have gut feelings?
We both are part of it.
Huh.
Yes, and it's a culmination of our characters as well and the story. So that's why it's special.
It's very powerful.
There's also one scene where we sort of recreated the whole burnt train.
Yeah.
And we go inside, and that was an emotional scene. It's also one of the very important scenes in our film, and it is my favorite because, as I said, I'm an emotional person, and it ignited a lot of emotions in me. कि इंसानियत के नाते कोई किसी के साथ ऐसा कैसे कर सकता है, you know. So this film has been a learning for me
Right.
as a person. I've grown as a human being.